Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the QuickBooks Online Test Drive feature in 2025, completely free and without even signing up. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Test Drive. First, open your browser and head over to this link. This will take you straight to QuickBooks demo environment. Now just click the box to confirm you are not a robot and hit continue after it verifies and hit continue. Once you are in, you will see a sample company dashboard. This is exactly how the real QuickBooks Online looks. Click on the gear icon on the top right. It will give you the access to the tool menu. From here, click on sample company again if needed or start exploring. Invoices, expenses, reports, everything works just like the real thing. Just remember, any changes you make won't be saved after you close the tab. And that's it for today's video. If this helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.